gonna relax and let it out.
There it is.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, ma'am. That was a lot.
Oh yes.
There it is. Yes, ma'am.
It's like the wall is knocked down. Oh my goodness.
Hey guys, Dr. Clerge, a DMV chiropractor, and I'm here today with Amanda. Alright, so Amanda, this is your first time, right?
Yes.
Chiropractor?
Yes.
Did I make you nervous after discussing the risks and benefits?
No.
Not really? Okay. Alright. It's fairly safe, but like any medical procedure, has some type of risk associated with it. But we discussed it and, we decided to move forward, right?
Mm-hmm.
Thing is, I'm not nervous, so if I was nervous, that'd be a problem, right?
Yes, it would.
All right, so we'll be all right. Okay. Tell me what's going on.
So, since after I was pregnant, I've been having a lot of back pains, bending, my neck, my shoulder, everything is hurting.
Everything is hurting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Everything.
All right. So what we'll do, I'll assess. I want to check your range of motion, of course, to see if there are any restrictions. Okay. If anything is causing the pain as far as the motion. And then we want to palpate, to check for tight musculature, because sometimes muscle or trigger point, can cause this type of discomfort, especially if it's not treated, okay?
Okay.
So what we're going to do as far as treatment, once I examine you, I'll see what I need to do, okay? But typically we stretch you out first to loosen you up, and then we'll adjust, and then after that we'll do massage, okay?
All right.
Now, sometimes, patients may not get the results that they want. Now at that point, we have to figure something else out. We have to explore other options, okay? So I'll usually recommend dry needling, especially for the tight muscle, which we talked about, and you were afraid of that too, But like I demonstrated, it's not painful, per se, it's not that bad. But basically, we target the muscle, we insert the needle to decrease that tension and those knots and release those knots, release, the trigger points. And it actually works well, I'm actually going to be posting some videos about it, and you'll see the results that people get from it. Like it's instant, like it's really good. Okay, so any questions for me?
No.
No?
Just don't hurt me.
Don't hurt you? It's only my first adjustment, so sorry. Well, we'll take care of you. All right, so don't be nervous. Just relax, all right?
All right.
All right, so let's check your range of motion first. Let me have you stand up for me. Let's have you bend, try and touch both feet for me. That's actually pretty good.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, any pain with that?
No.
No? Any discomfort, tightness, or anything? No?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's good. Move up for me a little bit. Perfect. Both arms up. All the way up. You're going to extend. I'm going to hold on to your back just in case.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and extend and go back for me. Let me know at what point you start feeling uncomfortable.
Right there.
Right there. Okay. All right. Let's have you face this direction. Let's have the arms like this. You're going to rotate to the right and to the left, okay? Don't do it yet. I'm going to hold on to your hips. Rotate to the right. Good. Rotate to the other side. Good. How's that?
This side hurts.
This side is a bit uncomfortable. Now you're going to go side to side. So this and then like that, okay? Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go to the right. Go to the left for me. How's that?
This side.
This side.
Mm-hmm.
So everything seems to be on the right side, right? Okay. Let me have you on your back for me. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift this leg up. Let me know if you feel any back pain or anything like that. That's okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's fine. Let's lift this leg. Any back pain or anything like that? On that lower portion. Gotcha. Okay. All right. Let me have you go ahead and sit up for me. Face this direction. Now let's have you look down. Let me know how that feels. How's that? Any tension?
Right here.
In the posterior portion of the neck. Let's have you look up and go as far back as you can. What are you feeling?
Tension in this
Tension in this area?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's have you go back to a neutral position. You're going to rotate to the right and rotate to the left, okay? Let's go to the right side first. Go to this side. How's that?
Yeah, it's a little tension.
Little tension.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're going to go side to side, okay? Go to the right side. How's that?
Tension.
Tension. Go to this side. How's that?
It's all right.
It's all right, not too bad?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's have you face down so you'll be on your stomach. All right. So I'm going to apply some pressure, okay? Now, can I lift the sweater? Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. All right, so apply pressure here. Is that okay? Besides me pressing, is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay?
I can feel it.
You can feel it like right here. So yeah. So is this tight?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend the needles for this. Let's have you lift this whole leg off the table. Bring it down. Good. Same thing on this side. Bring it down. Good. Okay. So when I palpated this area, like right here, is a bit tender, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So basically, the stretching will help. The adjustments will help with the spine and the flexibility, the joint flexibility. The massage will help. But to get deep in the muscle, we cannot, we can't access it. Not with the adjustment, not with the massage.
Okay.
Only the dry needling can, okay? So let me have you go ahead and sit up. So those are options that you can explore, okay?
All right.
All right. If you ever work up the nerves to get it done. All right. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and get you stretched out first, okay? And then after that, we'll do the adjustments.
Okay.
And then massage.
All
Any
right.
questions for me?
No.
No?
I'm good.
All right. So far, you still nervous, or you working?
No, I'm good.
You're doing a little better.
I'm gonna be a champ now.
All right. So we're gonna go ahead and take you back. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this stretch is going to be for your legs and your adductors, okay? I'm going to start to slide your feet back for me all the way. All right. You're going to start with a big deep breath, okay? And then you're going to relax and let it out. How's that? Can I put a little more pressure? Good. Come back up. Deep breath. And relax and let it out. Good. Now for the last one, I'm going to come in front to get a little more leverage, okay? Big deep breath. Relax and let it out. How's that? Perfect. All right, now let's go ahead and stand up, and we're going to do some stretches for your back, okay? What we're going to do is spread your feet apart just like this. Place one hand on your hip. Either one. One arm's going to go all the way up. You're going to start with a big deep breath. And you're going to stretch. Just like that. Good. And you should feel that all throughout here, right? So you're going to hold it for a second. Good. And then you're going to switch and do it on the other side. Arm up. Big deep breath. And relax and let it out. Good. Is it comfortable? Good. All right, arm up, big deep breath, and let it out. Good, hold it all right there. Good. Switch again. Big deep breath, and let it out. Good. Perfect, let's do one more on the right. Deep breath, and let it out. Perfect. All right, good. All right, Cecilia's going to take over, okay?
All right, I want you to go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. Okay, how's that? Is it too tight? No, it's fine.
It's fine.
Okay. Go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. Okay. Next side. Deep breath in again and out. Okay. And this side one more time. Deep breath in and out. Good. Now I'm going to slightly rotate your head just a little bit. Now I want you to take a deep breath in and out. Okay, how was that?
That's good.
And go ahead and tilt to the other side. Go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. Good. Okay. For this next exercise, I'm going to have you place 2 hands here. This is going to help stretch your back, okay? So what I want you to do is kind of twist your body just a little bit while taking a deep breath in and breathing out. And I'm just going to apply a little pressure behind you, okay? So go ahead and breathe in and out. Okay, is that too tight? Okay. Go ahead and take a deep breath in and out. Okay, how was that?
That's fine.
So we're gonna go back towards the room to Dr. Clerge.
Alrighty.
Okay.
All right. You got stretched out. How did that?
That felt awesome.
Felt pretty good. Were you tight?
I was.
You were. Okay. So I'm actually gonna move your hair out the way a little bit, and we're gonna start with the lower back. Okay. Now let's have you rotate for me. Good. Let's have you rotate again to the other side. I want to see what type of motion you have. Good. All right. Let's have you go forward. Okay. Any tightness with these motions? Not too bad? Okay. So the stretching, that helped, right? Because you were tight when you did these motions. Let's have you extend, go back. How's that? That's a little tight. Okay. I'm going to have you on your side. Face this. I'm going to go ahead and position your body. There you go. Good. Like you've been to the chiropractor before.
I have not.
You've been watching the videos, I guess, huh? All right. Bring this table up a little bit. Okay. I'm going to bring your body closer to the end of the table, okay?
Okay.
Good. Gotta do a twist it like this. We're going to straighten this leg out. Good. And I'm going to bend this leg. All right. So what I want you to do is just relax. I got to do a twist. You won't fall, so don't worry. So when I'm going to have you take a deep breath in, blow it out, and just relax your whole body, okay?
All right.
All right. Can I bring this up? All right. Palpate that lumbar spine. Good. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. One more time. And out. Relax. Okay, let's go to the other side. Good. Okay. This leg is straight. Good. We're gonna bend this leg. Is it okay to lift the shirt up? All right. So you wanna hold on a little bit tighter. Good. Good. Deep breath. And let it out for me. Relax. There it is. Yes, ma'am. Was that painful?
No, that wasn't.
It wasn't. Okay. Let's have you go ahead and sit up. I'm going to focus on getting this area here and then up here, okay? All right, so I'm going to have you move up for me just a little bit. Right there. Perfect. Good. You can actually slide back a little bit more towards me. A little bit more. Perfect. Good. We're going to take both arms, bring them up. We're going to go put them behind your head, go underneath your hair though. Good. Interlock your fingers. All right. And I'm going to bring you back and I'll explain to you what I need you to do, okay? So just drop on me and relax. There you go. Good. Now you got to keep your fingers interlocked, which is kind of hard to do, I guess. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Relax. So, good. At the end of that breath, you want to relax your whole body, okay? Let's do it again. Deep breath. Out. Relax your whole body. Yeah, like that. Good. Out. Relax. There it is.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, ma'am. That was a lot.
Oh yes. Yes.
How did that feel?
That felt good.
No pain.
No pain.
It was a lot of adjustment, but you know, most people think it's painful because
It wasn't painful.
So the folks, you know, they're scared to come see me because they're thinking, you know, I'm cracking their bones.
Oh no, that was good.
But basically, it's just gases that are released during the adjustment. Okay. All right. Move around for me. Let me know how that feels.
That feels good.
Feels pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now, let's see here. We're going to focus on this area right in here, okay? So for this one, I'm going to have you face down for my focus is going to be right in here, okay? I want you to relax. Good. Relax, relax. Good, relax. Okay, let's go to the other side. All right, remember the key is to relax, okay?
Mm-hmm.
See if we can get some movements on this side for you. Relax. Relax, relax, relax. There it is. Yes, ma'am. How was that?
Mm-hmm.
Any pain?
Mm-mm.
Okay, let's have you sit up. How did that feel?
It felt good.
All right. Okay. So now we're going to focus on getting the mid cervicals, which is the area here. Okay. So move your hair out the way. So we got the upper portion, and now I'm focusing where I'm touching, where my fingers are. That's the area we're going to go next. Okay.
All right.
Go ahead and drop your head down for me. Relax.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That felt good.
Not too bad?
Mm-mm. That wasn't bad.
Okay. All right, so same scenario. Now we're going to target the other side so we can get more motion on that side as well.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
You see the difference there?
Mm-hmm.
All right, and I'll have you do the motions for me once we're done, okay? All right. Drop your head down. Relax. Relax, relax. Relax a little more.
Mm. It's like the wall is knocked down. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that felt good. That felt good.
Felt pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
So now turn and let me know if you can see that picture behind you.
Behind me or beside me?
Behind you.
Yes, I can see it.
Right, yeah. Like
Yeah.
the periphery, right?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing for this one.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So get up, move around, let me know how you feel overall.
Oh. I felt good.
There you go. You probably can get to the floor. I know you were touching your toes. You probably get to the floor now. Yep, there you go.
Yes. I feel good.
Feel
You
good?
said I was gonna be tired. I feel like I can go running.
Right. Well, when I say tired, like you feel loose, you know, like relaxed.
Yeah, I
you know,
feel
yeah,
relaxed.
relaxed.
Like I
right.
can
Not
do a
tired.
lot.
Right. Mm-hmm. But most people, they go home and they go to sleep because they're so relaxed. You know?
I feel like
You
I'm.
feel like you're energized.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh my goodness.
Good?
I'm good.
Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do will be the massages. Show you what we're going to target.
Okay.
So, let you turn this way. They're going to massage and get the neck, the upper portion of the neck, the upper back, and then the lower back area, okay?
Okay.
And then after the massage, they'll put you on the electrical muscle stimulation and the traction table to kind of, you know, put everything together and loosen
You got a lot
you
more
up.
to go.
Yeah, you got a lot more. I thought you were done.
Yes.
Yeah. All right?
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
How's the pressure? I'm sorry.
Did I say safe?
It's my stomach. It's TT.
Oh, I was gonna say, you need to go get that salmon burger you were talking about.
This tight here.
And where's your pain normally?
Right there where you are.
Okay.
On that right side.
This right side? This side?
No, your left side.
Okay. Got it. How is that? Too much pressure? Not enough, or it feels okay?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.